How can I check if a string is a valid number? I'm hoping there's something in the same conceptual space as the old Visual Basic 6's numeric function. To check if a variable, including a string, is a number, check if it is not a number. This works regardless of whether the variable content is a string or number. Is num returns true if the variable does not contain a valid number. Examples. Of course, you can negate this if you need to. For example, to implement the isNumeric example you gave. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.